Wide Bridge Mining, led by prominent US investor Gentry Beach, has signed a landmark agreement with the Apex Energy for the exploration and development of placer gold deposits. This agreement marks a major breakthrough in unlocking Pakistan's vast, untapped mineral wealth estimated at over $50 trillion and integrating the country into global critical mineral supply chains. This first-of-its-kind investment demonstrates growing international confidence in Pakistan's mining sector, paving the way for advanced mineral exploration, sustainable extraction, and long-term economic growth. It also highlights Wide Bridge Mining's commitment to responsible investment, state-of-the-art mining technologies, and high-value job creation. Gentry Beach, a leading investor in strategic resource development, emphasized the significance of this agreement. Pakistan is home to extraordinary mineral wealth, and our investment is a commitment to unlocking its full potential through responsible mining and global partnerships. This is a transformative opportunity for Pakistan to become a key supplier in the critical minerals sector for the US, while also driving economic growth and technological advancement. This collaboration has the potential to be positioned within the US Department of Defense's Trusted Partner Program, which seeks to secure and diversify critical mineral supply chains in key global markets. As demand for rares and strategic metals rises, Pakistan's resource potential provides a compelling opportunity to enhance long-term supply resilience and develop a stable, independent mineral economy. By aligning with international initiatives focused on strengthening critical mineral security, this agreement sets the stage for Pakistan to play a greater role in the global mining industry. Pakistan's rich deposits of placer gold, rare earth elements rares, and other high-value minerals present a significant opportunity to diversify global supply chains, reducing dependency on limited sources while strengthening Pakistan's position as a trusted mineral supplier. This agreement is expected to bring modern mining technologies and sustainable extraction practices, ensuring that Pakistan's mineral wealth is developed responsibly while maximizing economic returns. The initiative is also set to create thousands of high-value jobs, establish advanced mineral processing facilities, and integrate Pakistan into strategic trade partnerships with key global markets.